In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive cards in Trello, an essential skill to keep your projects organized. Whether you're managing a personal project or collaborating with a team, knowing how to archive cards in Trello can help you maintain focus and clarity, ensuring that only relevant tasks are visible, while completed ones are neatly stored away. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and navigate to Trello's website by typing in trello.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, look to the upper right of your screen, and you'll see a Login button. Clicking on this button will lead you to the login page. On the login page, there are several options. Today we'll use a Google account because it's quick and seamless, so go ahead and click on the Google button. If you're not already signed into your Google account in your browser, you'll be directed to the Google sign-in page where you'll need to enter your credentials. After logging in, you might need to select your Google account if you have multiple accounts linked. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to your Trello dashboard where all your boards are displayed. At this point, find and open the board containing the card you'd like to archive. This will bring up all the lists and cards associated with that particular project. Next, scroll through your lists of cards and locate the specific card you want to archive. Once you find it, you'll notice three vertical dots, often referred to as the More or Options menu on the card. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal additional options for that card. Among the menu options that appear, you'll find the Archive option. Clicking Archive will move the card from your active board to the archive storage area in Trello. Don't worry, archiving is not permanent. It simply moves the card to a different place where it can be accessed later if needed. This feature helps you declutter your active boards without permanently deleting important information. And that's it. You've now successfully archived a card in Trello, keeping your workspace clean and organized. Remember, you can always locate archived cards by accessing the menu on the right side of your board screen and selecting Archived Items if you need to revisit them. This simple process helps to maintain workflow efficiency and focus on what matters most. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.